So how to transfer screen capture to your any phone, iPhone or Android or pen drive or card reader, any. I will show you the first method. So if you already have DJI apps, if you don't have, just go to App Store and search on DJI. Then you can see DJI Fly. This is the easiest way. You can easily download it and create an account. So once done, enable your Bluetooth option on your mobile device and open your DJI apps. Now go to your RC, go to album. Then you can see all of your file available here. Suppose I want to transfer this one. Just simply open your file and you can see top right corner this icon. Just enable and at the same time go to album on your mobile device and press on this icon. Then you can see the QR code, and from mobile now press on this icon to scan your QR code. Scan QR code, scan this code, press on join. Now your file is easily transferred to your device. So press go back, go to album and here's the file. Yeah, here is the file. So this is the one way. If you want to send bulk, then press and hold, select, press on this icon, then select all, and if you press on this icon again, then all file will be sent. Scan. So all file will be sent. And another way, if you already have card reader, and you can if you are have a converter, then you can use your cable as well. Just discharge your SD card and enter it to your any converter, then plug into your mobile, and then go your file manager, and for Android phone it's file also. Then you can see your card reader available here. Just open it. Now which one you want to transfer? Suppose you want to transfer this one, press on copy. Now go back, and your iCloud or iPhone, anywhere you want to paste this file will be raised. So another way, you can insert, I will show you the another way. Suppose my SD card is available here. You can transfer your file to your pen drive as well. Just insert your pen drive to your remote. So once you insert, just then you can see your pen drive is available here. Now you can transfer any file from your, you press on this icon, then go to a video, DJI album, all our DJI album available here. Just press and hold, then select, copy to. Now go back again, select your pen drive. Now where you want to save? Suppose home page, test, okay. Now copy, item is copied. So thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.